everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am getting the last couple of pots replanted for the winter over here at the Carolina Garden House. I've got new renters that are moving in for a couple of weeks starting this afternoon, and I thought it would be nice to have these pots ready and waiting for them when they arrive. So basically I'm going to do it really easily and hopefully keep the patio as clean as possible. I'm just going to tear out the summer vegetables. Specifically, I've just got a couple of eggplants, and in this pot I have a banana that I will overwinter in my heated shed, and I'm going to get these all replaced with a mix of hydrangeas, cool season vegetables, and of course violas. So stay tuned for my progress. Well, I feel pretty good about getting this patio replanted for the winter season. As you can see, I've got the mangaves moved over here as well. And in a few weeks' time, I will put those actually inside the house for the winter. But for now, I think this is a kind of a cozy microclimate. All this asphalt and morning exposure definitely makes this a solid zone 8. At least that's what I'm anticipating. And I think all of these containers are going to do really great for the winter time. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to create some simple foodscape containers for the winter as well. Plants like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, mustard, arugula, all those things do really well in pots, and of course mix them with violas. I prefer violas over pansies because they really bloom all winter long. And then you can always add some kind of tree or shrub to give some extra interest. In this case, I used some of a new variety of the endless summer hydrangea, which I am trialing for container hardiness. And I look forward to giving you all updates during my weekly garden tours. Please be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.